Open. Foxtrot 1063, right via tango, Bravo V. Rolling 73 Charlie Victor, wind 060 degrees 7 knots, runway 03 clear for takeoff.
Yeah, for takeoff runway 03, well in 73, Charlie. Tower for 143, we need to go back to stand.
Cutway 602, boa tarde, continue approach runway 03, wind 060 degrees 7 knots.
Zero Tower for 143.
First 143, go ahead, sir.
We need to go back to stand.
First 143, you need to return to the stand plaza. Stand by coordinating, now we'll call you back.
Okay, 143. Victoria 321.
Go ahead, sir.
This is Sasha going back to stand.